Alright, so today's class, we call it time management. Just kidding. It was a lot of time changing, a lot of changing of directions, so that's why it was a bit hard. It's not hard. I mean, it's a bit hard. You just gotta practice. You have to control the timing, going back to the follows timing, back to the least timing. You have to make sure that you control a lot of changing of directions and so on and so. Okay? So, we're gonna start real quick. First with the Madrid. I'm gonna do it this way and then the other way. So I go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here we do a prep lead. 5, 6. Twist the hand. 7, 8. You okay? 1, 2. Prep. 4. Yes. 5 to 6. 7 to 8. So Christian, don't turn. Then we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Before I take my next step, I need to change directions for the follow. And then I do 7, 8. Yes? Here I'm turning the follow, but I'm blocking as well. 3 and 4. So you have to turn and block. Follows does not know that there's a block. We do it. Follows are going to feel it. Yes? And Jessa is holding a tackle. Yes? Then we bring the follow toward us. Why? 6, 7, 8. Remember to make contact on the 6. 5, 6. So the follows, oh, he's going to get behind me. 7, 8. Once you make this contact, then step back, forward, tap. Yes? If this is too hard, just do easy one. Step, 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 tap. And then we send to the right. 5, 6. Keyword, we send. Then keyword, we bring 8. Right, Jessa? Otherwise, they don't know to go back. Yes? And I'm going to go from this side. Ready? 1, 2, 3. My prep. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Yes? Practice, practice.